Hello everyone. Today we will study gas laws. The behavior of a gas under known conditions of pressure, volume and temperature is described by laws known as gas laws. There are some standard variables for gas laws. These variables are volume, pressure and temperature. It is found that all gases are similar in their physical behavior. They expand and contract equally under similar conditions of temperature and pressure. There are some laws given by different scientists. So first of all, we will study about Boyle's law. Boyle's law states that volume of a given mass of a dry gas is inversely proportional to its pressure at constant temperature. Let us try to understand this law. Volume of a given mass. It means mass is constant. In the beginning and at the end it is same. Of a dry gas means we are talking about gases here. We are not talking about moisture or water vapors. Is inversely proportional to its pressure at constant temperature. It means initial and final temperature is also constant. It's not changing. Whether the temperature is given to us or not given, it hardly matters because it is not going to change. So mass and temperature are constant. Volume and pressure are changing. So if volume is increasing, then pressure is decreasing. So we can write V is inversely proportional to pressure. Now, if we take P1 as initial pressure, V1 as initial volume, P2 as final pressure and V2 as final volume. It is constant at constant temperature. Temperature is not changing. Now there are four things: pressure, initial pressure and volume, final pressure and volume. Out of these four, if we know the value of any three, we can calculate the value of fourth. To understand this, let us take one example, one numerical based on Boyle's law. So the numerical is volume of certain amount of a gas is 800 centimeter cube under 760 mm Hg pressure. Find under what pressure the gas will occupy 380 centimeter cube, the temperature remaining constant. So whenever we have to solve any numerical, first of all we should see that what is given and what we have to find out. So volume of certain amount of a gas is 800 centimeter cube. It means this is the initial volume. So initial volume is V1. Under 760 mm Hg pressure, mmHg is the unit for the pressure. So it means this is the value for P1. Find under what pressure? It means we have to find out P2. We have to calculate P2. The gas will occupy 380 centimeter cube. It means this is V2 given. The temperature remaining constant. It means we have to apply Boyle's law equation. And Boyle's law equation is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Let us put the value of these and find out P2. So P1 is 760. We will not write units here, and at the end we know that we have to calculate P2 and we will write the unit of pressure with it. P1 760, V1 800, P2 not given, we have to find out, we will write as it is. V2 is given 380 centimeter cube. So P2 is equal to 760 multiply 800 divided by 380. So when we solve it, we get 1600. Because this is the value of P2, so here the P1 is 760 mmHg. So the pressure is in unit mmHg. So same unit will come here, mmHg. Now if we want to convert into centimeter Hg, cmHg, then we can divide it with 10 and we will get 160 cmHg. Now if we talk about the units, 760 mmHg unit, 800 centimeter cube, which is the unit of volume, and 380 also centimeter cube. So centimeter cube and centimeter cube will cut and we will get mmHg, and this way we can convert mmHg into centimeter Hg. I hope now you understand the statement and the numericals, how to solve the numericals based on Boyle's law. Thanks for watching. Take care.